What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Shout out to the Kofi gang for being here, being involved and being active. Shout out to Bangtan Sonyeondan. We are here again with Airplane Part 2, which is what you guys have been requested for me to check out. Now previously I checked out the first Airplane, which was by J-Hope, a solo performance by J-Hope, so I checked it out just to give myself some context, but I'm not sure if this is going to be the same song or a different song or something else, but I just wanted to check out why there was part 2 rather than part 1, right? Okay, so I checked out part 1. Now I can check out part 2. This is the Japanese version, and after that we're going to check out the live performance as we always do. So let's check out Bangtan Sonyeondan doing Airplane Part 2. Shout out to you guys. Thank you guys for your requests. Really appreciate you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Very important. Let's go. Okay. Is that V? Alright. Look at them feeling themselves. Okay. This is so cool. That's so cool. I love that moment with Jin and President, man. That moment with Jin and President was classic. And then, oh man, let me take it back over there because that was a beautiful moment. That was a master moment, man. Oh, that was so good. That was so good. That, and then he would do that rap. Da 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 da. Ah, that was so good. And the harmony there, oh, so brilliant. And then the dance moves, they were doing the Fortnite dance. They were doing the Fortnite. Oh, shit. Oh, my days. I think this came out like 2018, 2019. It's a pretty fun choreography, man. I really enjoy this choreography. Oh, shout out to Jimin. Anyway, come on, JK. Everyone looking so good. It also gives a very kind of like a Mediterranean vibe to it as well. Even the beat, like it sounds like an acoustic guitar being played, but then the body percussion, as with the body of the guitar being used for percussion as well, it gives a very Mediterranean side, especially with that. Like it gives that kind of like that vibe. Oh my days! Look, those dance routines were mad. I'm not even joking, bro. Did you see those dance routines? Oh my days, man. I am so impressed by these guys. Let me take it back. This is so entertaining. How the hell is he dancing so comfortably on that? Yeah. I love that the dance routine, it was JK giving it to them, and then J-Hope was pulling it from JK, and then V was also pulling it from them as well. So if you look at the dance routine, you see that they were kind of like transferring energies between each other, man. That was so good. If you let me make it slow for a second, right? Let me make it slow for a second. Let's put it to 0.5, right? So if you look at the three of them at the same time, right? Just pay attention. So you have 1, 2, 3. They go that way, and then they have, look at JK, look at J-Hope, and then they have, but so J-Hope is giving it, and then V is pulling it, and then J-Hope is kind of like, JK is giving it, J-Hope is kind of pulling, and then V is really pulling it. If you look at the interaction there, that's so entertaining, man. You look 1, 2. Ah, that was so good. that was a really nice routine. That was a really nice routine, man. I loved it. That's so good. Why is V looking so spectacular? V is looking good, bro. That's a nice JK ad-libbing going on in the background. Beautiful. All right, try to make it sexier with the rain. Right? Okay. All right. Where's Jimin? I love this, man. This was so good. I have no idea what it was singing about. I'm gonna check out the lyrics later. I'll check out the lyrics later, bro. I have no idea what they were singing about, man. All right, let's check out the lyrics. That was absolutely beautiful. That was masterful. Oh man, these guys, they keep proving that they are where they are because they are who they are, man. Yeah, let's check out the lyrics. After that, we're gonna check out the live performance. So stay tuned for the live performance, man. All right, so here goes. Lyrics. So this was done by RM, Ali Tamposa, obviously P-Dog, Lisa Owens, Roman Campolo, Hitman Bang, Sugar and J. Oh wow, that's pretty good. That's a lot of hands on this. All right. So this is a sequel of J-Hope's solo mixtape track Airplane. Yes. So let's go. So we have an odd kid. He was singing as if it's like breathing to him. Anywhere was fine. He just wanted to do music. Only singing, the thing that made his heart beat, although he walked down The only path. It's not easy. Failure and frustration. Words that someone gave me after calling me. Words that someone gave me after calling me. Exhausted to stop. You're a singing star. You're a singing star. But I see no star. After some years passed, we still sky high, sky fly, sky dope. We still same try, same scar, same work. All right, this was definitely precedence was play on words. We still wherever in the world we go, we still. Oh, this was Jin and precedent. This was Jin, so that was when we still or something like that, right? And then precedent would continue. So that was that moment there. So we work in our hotel rooms. Oh, that's a flex there alone. I still one day it works out too well, then the next day is completely screwed. I still, who should I live as today? Kim Namjoon or RM? Oh, that's interesting. That's a bar right there. 25, I still don't know how to live well. So today as well, we just go. We're going from NY to Cali, London to Paris. Damn, man, what a flex! What a flex! That's a perfect sequel to J-Hope's journey, right? Of deciding to do this, talking about the struggles initially, and then also talking about the hatred that a lot of people were giving him, right? And all of that. And now they are all talking about kind of giving a hint to that, and they are talking about their successes, basically, right? That's pretty cool. Wherever we go, it's a party. El Mariachi, they repeat that 3 times. We're going from Tokyo, Italy, Hong Kong to Brazil. Wherever in the world, I will sing El Mariachi all time. That's pretty cool. Every day above the clouds, every day above. Oh, that's a reference back to that. That's a reference back to part 1. Every day above the clouds, every day above the clouds. My feel above the clouds. Ah, that's the lyric. Oh, there's the lyrics. That's the lyrics. That's the lyrics from part 1. Yeah. Hey, was that J-Hope? Was that J-Hope? Oh man, that's brilliant. That's brilliant. That's brilliant, man. My feel about the clouds. Check it. Above the clouds. My chemistry with the clouds. All day with the clouds. The fun of riding the clouds. Fade in, looking at the clouds. You don't know. Maybe thanks. It's pretty much what happened here. It's pretty much what happened here in part 1. You guys remember the lyrics from part 1? It's literally the lyrics from part 1. Oh my days, man. I'm so glad I checked out part 1. I am so glad I checked out part 1. Oh my days, that's so brilliant. J-Hope, man, you're a star. Where's J-Hope? Come here. Come here. Yeah, there it is. My chemistry with the clouds, all day with the clouds. The fun of riding the clouds, fade in, looking at the clouds. You don't know, maybe thanks to years of flying, I got a few 100,000 mileage. It's time to cheer you up. Oh yeah, thanks to years of flying, I got a few 100,000 mileage. Is it because he doesn't use his car, so he doesn't have a lot of mileage on his car? I don't know. Maybe, or maybe he's talking about mileage on the plane. It's time to cheer you up. Who couldn't make it? I'll give you the flight points as a present. It's literally what he wrapped up in part 1. That's so sick. Love the airplane mode. Turn off all concerns. No matter what anyone says, I'll just continue to keep the first and look at the night sky as it fits my place right now. Damn. I don't know. They repeat that. Yeah, how to stop. I don't know how to stop. That's pretty much what they're saying. How to take some rest. They don't know how to rest. How to fail. They don't know how to fail. Damn. I got fed up by your cutely bragging about, I think this is Sugar. I got fed up by your cutely bragging about your money on TV. My passport is about to die from overwork. Wow. You're the ones who benefited from media. You're the ones who are better at playing celebrities. We are still the same as back then. Ah, that's very interesting. We're going from Mexico City, London, Paris. He repeats President's line here, unless that's President. Wherever we go is a party. El Mariachi 3 times. We're going from Tokyo, Italy, Hong Kong to Brazil. Wherever we go, I will sing El Mariachi. Oh, that was really good. That was really good, man. I am so happy for these guys. That was such a great performance. Now we have the BTS comeback show. This was done 4 years ago, so that's still 2018. So that all of the part one happened, the part 2 happened in the same year, and then the comeback show happened in damn all in 1 year, man. Pretty sick. All right, let's check this out.
I love it.
I love how they are using the standing microphone as a prop, but they all have their own microphones, right? So they can maintain that kind of dance routine. That's pretty good, man. This is so good. This is so good. I love how President is on his way to stand in the middle to rap, and all of them are gonna dance it because that's how the music video was like. That's brilliant. Beautiful. Man, how does it always fit, bro? listen, every live reaction that I do, man, I always give a shout out to the BTS army, bro. How do they always time it so well for it to fit the whole space, and then the next beat starts, man? They're so good at this. So good. Oh. I can't stop smiling, bro. I just can't stop it. I can't stop smiling. Come on, B. Come on, Jane. Oh. They put a nice, oh. They put a nice sexy twist on it, man. I love that. I love that. I love that moment. And then they're doing that, and then they're looking at the camera. Yeah, these guys, man. That was entertaining. I really enjoyed it, man. Thank you guys for putting me up to this. for me to check this out. But shout out to you guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. Keep it coming. Keep the requests coming in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned and we're out. Peace.